In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit page titles in Squarespace. Navigating the world of website building can sometimes be a bit daunting, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step. We'll focus on making your page titles exactly what you want them to be, both for your site visitors and for search engine optimization. To get started, first ensure that you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your homepage. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice your profile. Go ahead and click on it to move forward. After clicking your profile, you'll see the websites associated with your account. Select the one you want to work on by simply clicking on it. This will take you to the main editing interface for that particular site. Now that you're here, look for the option labeled Page and give it a click. This next part is crucial. Take a moment to identify the specific page you wish to edit. Once you've found it, you'll see a small settings icon next to that page. Click on this icon to dive deeper into the editing options. Once in settings, you'll automatically land on the General tab. Here, you'll see the current page title, and this is where you can make your changes. Feel free to edit the title to better suit your needs or to align it more closely with your website's theme or purpose. Remember, this title is what your visitors will see, so make sure it's clear and engaging. You also have the option to add or modify the navigation title here. This is the text that appears in your site's menu, which can sometimes be different from the page title itself. Choose something concise and descriptive to guide your visitors as they navigate your site. Now, let's hop over to the SEO tab, which is just a click away. This section is your opportunity to edit the SEO title for your page. An SEO title is typically seen by search engines and is crucial for how your page is indexed and found online. Craft a title that's packed with relevant keywords and phrases. This will help boost your visibility for those searching related topics. And there you have it. With these changes made, you've successfully edited both your visible page title and your SEO title, fine-tuning your Squarespace site to better serve both your audience and enhance its discoverability. Once you're satisfied with your edits, make sure to save your changes. Thank you for following along. With these adjustments, your website is now more polished and search engine friendly. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out and and I'll be happy to help. Happy editing!